All right, guys, here we go. Bitcoin's in trouble here. The markets are in trouble here. We got some great downside potential. You're not going to want to miss this video. Please stick around. Watch the whole thing through. If you're new to the channel, this is Chart Junkies. My name's Alex. We use Elliott Wave Theory to come up with high probability trades. If you don't know how to trade Elliott Wave, you're trading blind, guys. I'm telling you. I got a link in the description to my Elliott Wave crash course. It's also going to be pinned in the video right now. And then at the end of the video, we launched a free Discord. Check it out. I give you trade setups. I give you long-term kind of what we're looking at from an Elliott Wave structure point of view. I give you alerts. Today, I gave out this trade. You know, this is why Elliott Wave is so great, guys. It gives you clear and validation points. We had such a tight stop loss here on this trade. It was honestly an easy trade to take. I threw it out in the Discord. My man Nicky Lou absolutely killed it. This crazy son of a bitch did a 200x short. We got a 100x short from him as well. Big profits for him. You know, props to you for throwing that in. I'm short right now. I think we got more downside potential. Guys, check out the Discord. Come on in there. You ask me questions. Ask me whatever you want. It's free. Do it. All right, let's get into it. These videos, I mean, these are good for just general where we're at in the market. I'm going to give you what to look out for. But as far as like trades and real-time like alerts, join the Discord, man. Come on. All right. So ultimately, what I'm looking for on Bitcoin is just really just a simple three-wave structure, and then I really want to see some more upside to break this high and then down. I'm not going to spend a lot of detail or spend a lot of time on this because it's all in my previous videos. I feel like I'm repeating myself every time, but that's the general structure. I want to see this start impulsing to the downside right here. That would be great. I want to come down and right into this zone, test it out somewhere in this area, and then reverse off of it. That's my master plan. We'll see if it plays, guys. I'm not sure, but I'm short right now. I'll tell you that much. I want to show you a couple possibilities of what we could be seeing here and what could be playing out. There's a correction here. Clear as day. This might be wanting to come somewhere up like this and correct down. We'll see how it plays out. Or you might get more of an impulsive wave structure and create just a bigger ABC, something like this. Alright, it's messy, but it's there, and it could start impulsing down from there. Ultimately, no matter how this plays out, the structure that I like, this is going to be a correction, and then we're going to have an impulse down. How it plays out, I don't know. I would love for it to just start rolling over here, and I have a feeling it might. I'm short for it because I really want to catch this. We'll see if we get it. But I think sooner or later this move is going to come, whether it's now, whether it wants to hit the high again and come over here. I think it's going to come. That's what I'm looking out for. As I zoom in super micro time frames, this was the short that we took right here. That was the short today. Beautiful trade. Right now, this could either be an ABC and done. I mean, it retraced enough and we could start coming down for more. Or we might be hitting something like this and then we start coming down for more. I really think this structure here at least needs a little leg like this, if anything. So I think there's another short to be had. You know, if you guys are looking for a trade, I mean, it wouldn't have been a bad spot to get in right there. If you get something like this that comes and breaks the high in three waves like that, I would fire another short bullet right here pretty hard and ride that down. Come break this low, take your profits right here. Could break the low down here even, but so we're looking at the 29.5 area. If you're gonna try to hop into a big short again, 29.5 area. What I want to see though is instead of it just being an ABC correction down and then more up, I really want to see this be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, start impulsing down. I want to see it impulse. You know, we can have a 1, 2 right there. That could be done, or again, it could be coming up, and you could give you that short entry that we're looking for. And you can at least write it down, take profit here, and then let the rest roll, and hopefully you get this nice short trade. I'm really feeling it. I don't know why, but again, it's all probabilities, guys. This is Elliott Wave Theory. When you look at these charts and stare at these as much as I do, for as long as I do, using Elliott Wave, it just sticks out. You kind of know how these things go. But you know, I'm wrong. I'm wrong at times too. I'm not always right. No one's always right. So just be aware and use good risk management. Yeah, that's I want to look at some other things here instead of just Bitcoin today. You know, that's where I'm at with Bitcoin. I want to see a move into this general area right here, around the 26.5 level, 26.8 level, and then I want to see one more hit to the high. That's what I want to see. All right, so it's really just, is this finished correcting yet, or do we need more and then go, or are we just done and we can go? All right, it can go either way at this point, so if you're trading, be aware of that. Looking at the DXY, as we know, the dollar, Bitcoin is traded against the dollar. So if dollar goes up, Bitcoin goes down, vice versa. It's inversely correlated. If you watched my previous videos, you knew I was calling for a flat, just like this. When we broke this low, I said, watch out, because this can happen here. I wouldn't be surprised in the slightest, and look at that, we definitely got it. In my opinion, the DXY has more that it can go. I want to see something like that. I want to see this get broken, and I want everyone to say, oh my god, we broke this trend line and now it's gonna go, look at that. Because that's nothing more than that's what it'd be setting up, right? This is Elliott Wave, guys. Hop in the Discord and you'll learn. You can ask me questions. I'm gonna have tutorials going in there. I'm gonna have educational stuff going in there. Be the first in there, because there will be a paywall. There will be a paywall, so get in there now. If we look at the SPX, let me finish up with DXY quick. Moving ahead way too fast here. So this would lead me to believe if DXY is going up, Bitcoin has more downside, right? So that would correlate with another move to the downside on Bitcoin if DXY decides to push up. So after that flat is complete, then complete flat, then we'd be looking for big downside, be looking for big upside from Bitcoin. All right, so it's kind of rhyming. If we look at SPX, I have these trend lines drawn, parabolic trend lines. We broke this one. We're gonna break this one, guys. I mean, it's just gonna happen. There's so many people that are gonna be long in this. I mean, it's just gonna. So ultimately, what I am predicting for SPX is that this right here was some type of a WXY, and I want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. I want to break this high, and I want this to be a 1, 2, 3, 4 finished impulse, and then we can start our downwards descent. That's what I want in SPX. And if SPX does this, where we have this downside on SPX, an up move, and then another down move, that would rhyme with what Bitcoin's gonna do. They don't follow each other like perfectly, guys. They don't, but they really do kind of rhyme. It's not perfectly correlated, but they go in the general direction of each other. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. You know, I just want to give you a heads up, keep you updated. Nothing's changed in my plan. I've had this plan for weeks now, and last week was an amazing week. CPI, we nailed CPI. I mean, it was I've been on an absolute tear lately, on an absolute roll. It ain't always gonna be like this. There's gonna be times when you dry up and your trades aren't hitting. I get that, but right now, oh my God, I'm on fire. Join the Discord, please. I am in there non-stop. I'm posting every time I see a trade set up on Bitcoin. I'm posting it, guys. So get in there. I'll see you in there. I appreciate you watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Next time, if something happens tomorrow, I'll be here posting the video. All right. So thanks for watching, guys. I love you. Trade safe. Peace. Bye.